dhaoibh YouTube, conas the It's been a long while since the last time I spoke to you. But yeah, so I wanted to check in and say I'm going to start doing a few brain rambling videos again. If you're not familiar with the concept, it's where I speak for about 10 minutes on a specific topic with no particular kind of structure or script in terms of what I want to be doing. A little bit like what I'm doing now. But I want to do them because they're a little bit of a way of me unpacking things, working through things, thinking about things. I've been doing, speaking to a therapist a lot about different bits and pieces that are going on. So it's kind of got me rethinking, reanalyzing, kind of reflecting. That's the word I was looking for. And I think better when I'm speaking. So being able to speak about it and get it out of my head, but also to have something to look at. But then also to kind of put something up online for somebody else who might be feeling the same thing. Because I watch a lot of these kind of formatted videos in that people are just talking about a specific story or a specific thing or whatever it is. And I get a lot of enjoyment and kind of comfort and satisfaction and a whole different range of emotions out of it. You know, it's nice to be able to see that other people are thinking and talking the same way, you know, and it's helpful. So I'm going to be, instead of just videoing them for myself, I'm going to put them up on YouTube as well. And yeah, we'll see what happens. So that is that. I'm going to work on that over the next couple of days, and there should be something else going up soon. So, míle good for watching, and we'll see you soon. Slán.